Hello everyone! Ayan. At flex ko nga lang po pala kung gaano po kadumi itong sasakyan ko ngayon mga lalabs. This is how my car look like during melting snow. Ayan guys, so dirty. So ayan guys, we will do some car washing mga lalabs. And this is really terrible. Look. I can't even recognize my car. Yan guys. So we will do on the automatic for now because it might gonna be dirty again because the weather is like melting the snow. Look. So we're just trying to remove some of the dirt mga lalabs. So ayan guys. This is it, pansit. This is my car look like. It's so dirty. Yan guys. It is so dirty because of the weather is like snow melting mga lalaw. So ayan. This is gonna be look like. Yan guys. So ayan. Maya po uli natin re-reveal. Let's wait. So ayan guys, so pasok na tayo dito sa car wash. Guys. So ayan guys. Ano tayo sa car wash. Finally, liliguan na si 4D mga lalabs. Guys. So, ayan guys. Bagong ligo na si 4D. Woohoo! Malinis na uli mga lalabs. Yan. Makintap na uli si 4D. Guys. Ayos. Nice na lazy body. Yan guys. Mga ilang araw lang yan mga lalabs at putik na naman yan. Pagkatapos, ayan. Tuyuin muna natin dito mga lalabs. So, sa automatic na lang po natin hinugasan kasi pag doon sa manual, medyo matagal ako magkutkot. So, malaki po yung ating babayaran. So, ayan guys. Patuyuin muna natin ng konti. Beautiful now, lazy body. Kintab na naman si 4D. Pero hindi ako satisfied sa linis Parang naiwan pa doon sa may taas. Oh, yun oh. That's okay. At least nabawasan ng konti yung dumi niya. Guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bagong ligo na 40-40 namin. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on my next videos. God bless you all mga lalabs. Bye everyone.